is for alligator. 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 A is for alligator. B is for bear. B bear. B bear. B bear. B is for bear. C is for cat. C cat. X-ray fish. X, X, X-ray fish. X, X, X-ray fish. X, X, X-ray fish. X is for X-ray fish. I is for yak. I, Y, yak. I, Y, yak. I, Y, yak. Y is for yak. C is for zebra. C, C, zebra. C, C, zebra. C, C, zebra. C is for zebra. A is for angelfish. 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 A is for angelfish. B is for betta. B, B, betta. B, B, betta. B is for betta. C is for clownfish. C, C, clownfish. C, C, clownfish. C is for clownfish. D is for dorado. D, D, dorado. D, D, dorado. D is for dorado. E is for eel. E, E, eel. E, E, eel. E is for eel. F is for flying fish. F, F, flying fish. F, F, flying fish. F is for flying fish. G is for goldfish. G, G, goldfish. G, G, goldfish. G is for goldfish. H is for herring. H, H, herring. H, H, herring. H is for herring. Y is for iridescent shy. I, iridescent shy. I, iridescent shy. I is for iridescent shy. A is for jackfish. Day, day, jackfish. Day, day, jackfish. Day is for jackfish. K is for koi. K, K, koi. K, K, koi. K is for koi. L is for lionfish. L, L, winefish. L, L, winefish. L is for lionfish. M is for mackerel. M, M, mackerel. M, M, mackerel. M is for mackerel. N is for neon tetra. N, N, neon tetra. N, N, neon tetra. M is for neon tetra. O is for Oscar. O, O, Oscar. O, O, Oscar. O is for Oscar. P is for pufferfish. P, P, pufferfish. P, P, pufferfish. P is for pufferfish. Q is for queen angelfish. Q, Q, angelfish. Q, Q, angelfish. U is for queen angelfish. R is for rainbowfish. R, R, rainbowfish. R, R, rainbowfish. R is for rainbowfish. S is for salmon. S, S, salmon. S, S, salmon. S is for salmon. T is for tang. T, T, tang. T, T, tang. T is for tang. U is for unicornfish. U, U, unicornfish. U, U, unicornfish. U is for unicornfish. V is for viperfish. V, V, viperfish. V, V, viperfish. V is for viperfish. W is for walleye. W, W, walleye. W, W, walleye. W is for walleye. X is for x-ray fish. X, X, x-ray fish. X, X, x-ray fish. X is for x-ray fish. Y is for yellowtail. Y, Y, yellowtail. Y, Y, yellowtail. Y is for yellowtail. Z is for zebrafish. Z, Z, zebrafish. Z, Z, zebrafish. Z is for zebrafish. A is for alligator. A, alligator. A, alligator. A, alligator. A is for alligator. B is for bear. B, B, bear. B, B, bear. B, B, bear. B is for zebra. A to Z fruit songs, A to Z fruit songs. A is for apple, red and sweet, healthy fruit that's fun to eat. B is for banana, yellow and long, peel it quick and sing this song. C is for cherry, small and round, juicy fruit that can be found. D is for date, so sticky and sweet, desert fruit, a tasty treat. E is for elderberry, purple and small, make some juice and share with all. F is for fig, soft inside, nature's candy we can't hide. G is for grapes, purple or green, bunches hanging fresh and clean. H is for honeydew, melon so light, sweet and juicy, pure delight. I is for Indian fig, cactus, pear, spiky outside, juice to share. J is for jackfruit, big and strong, cut it open, smells so long. K is for kiwi, fuzzy and small, green inside, best of all. L is for lemon, sour and bright, makes a drink that feels just right. M is for mango, golden sun, juicy slices, yum yum fun. N is for nectarine, smooth and sweet, like a peach, it's fun to eat. O is for orange, round and neat, peel it quick, a juicy treat. P is for pineapple, spiky crown, golden fruit, don't put it down. Q is for quince, yellow and rare, cook it soft with love and care. R is for raspberry, tiny and red, tasty fruit on jam and bread. S is for strawberry, heart-shaped too, red and juicy, good for you. T is for tomato, red and round, salads love it, tastes so sound. U is for ugly fruit, citrus surprise, funny name but tasty prize. V is for Valencia, orange juicy bright, squeeze it fresh for pure delight. W is for watermelon, big and green, sweetest fruit you've ever seen. X is for seagull, watermelon's friend, juicy fruit that never ends. Y is for yellow passion fruit, sweet inside, cut